guys, Tim from Procheck Automotive here. Today we've got Shane's new Hilux. We're going to put the Raptor coating on the back. We're going to film the process and show you what end results we get. So we've run our tape along all the edges, so that's going to give us our nice straight lines. That's exactly where we want our paint not to go. So we're going to have a nice white line around the outside of around the inside of the tub. The next step is to remove all the screws, tie down strap points, anything like that in the tub. So we have a nice flat surface, and then we get standing. So when we're sanding that back, the idea, sometimes you don't have any choice, but sometimes it will go down to metal. Try to avoid that if at all possible. Just keep it where we're taking just that top coat off to get back to that sort of dull color. We want to get rid of any shiny sections, you know, like that there. That there, see how it's shiny there? We want to get rid of that and just get it back to sort of this dull look. Okay, believe it or not, that there is probably the hardest part of the job done. Sanding it back, getting rid of all the gloss so it's that dull finish, that's probably the most annoying, time-consuming part of the job, along with taping it up. So now that's all done, let's get on and let's paint it. Okay, so it's time to mix it up. Get the hardener, nice little measuring cup. Fill that up to the fill line. And then we pour it in. Put the lid on so Josh doesn't knock it over. Shake it up and we're good to go. What I like to do is any panels that you have that you need to spray individually, spray them first, get a bit of confidence up, and then you can attack the tub. First coat done, so we let that go off, and now when we go to do the second coat, the idea is to try and get a consistent texture across the whole tub. Okay, so we finally finished. At the end of the day, it's all dried now. Now make sure you don't get it wet for 72 hours. Give it time to cure. But other than that, we're pretty happy with the way it's turned out. We've got a nice consistent finish over the whole thing. So if you've got any questions, give us a call, subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week.